The beauty of African market, it's not defined by the things that you are going to find at the market, but the beauty of African market, it's the interaction, the culture, the language which is there. Even the things that usually happens at the market here in Africa, they are so different. In this video, I'm going to show you this market called New Market here in Chipulukusu, Zambia. Why am I going to this place? It is because I'm going to repair my bicycle, my transport that I use to do some travel videos that you've been seeing on this channel. So guys, do me a favor, like this video, share this content, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest video. You are going to enjoy this beautiful African market, and the interaction, it's so amazing. Enjoy this one. Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara. Good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. In today's video guys, I just want to take you to the market where I'm going to repair my bicycle, my baby. You know, I want to do some videos somewhere within NDOLA, Zambia. Now what really happened there wasn't okay. My bicycle yesterday broke up like no man's business, I'm telling you. And I was somehow like hurt. Let me say I'm hurt. But anyway, you need to love what you're doing, and no matter what you face. So this is what I'm doing. I am going to the market right now. I can feel the pain like on my thigh and on my knee there, because the way it broke out, I'm telling you, it wasn't alright. It wasn't that good, I'm telling you. I had to hit the road like no man's business. Anyway, I'm alright, I'm fine, don't worry. I'll show you where I'm going. I need to change the tire, I need to change the hub, I need to change some brakes, I need to put the new ones, so that next time it won't happen like what happened yesterday. It was a bad experience, you know. I can imagine if there was a car coming behind, this time I would have been dead. But right now I'm just okay. So guys, let's do. So guys, you see, this is a problem that I'm having. This one, this is supposed to be repaired. See, and I need to put up some new brakes. Okay. You see, this is what happened yesterday. Like, it broke my the brakes went out. So this is what happened. You can see. You see, I traveled a long distance, so it's dirty. So dirty. So guys, I'm on my way going to the market just to go and repair my baby. So right now I'm at Chipulukusu Mosque. This building that you are seeing is Chipulukusu Mosque. So I'm going to the main market right now. Sorry, to the new market, not the main market, but the new market. All right, I'll see you around. When you look at the market, it is truly an African market. This is pure African market, and you will never see this unless here in NDOLA, Zambia. When you look at the way it looks, the way things are set up, and the way the culture, the types of people here, even the language itself. Guys, I'm here at the market, new market, and this is where I do repair my bicycle here in NDOLA, Zambia, Chipulukusu area. When you look at this area, it is one of the amazing area. It will tell you to say this is not a fancy market. It is a truly African market. And this man, Mr. Mvula, is the one who was repairing my bicycle there. And he had to tell me what is needed at my bicycle. You know, the bicycle had some terrible condition. So I had to buy some new spare parts, new brakes, new tire, new tube, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to buy the same tires and the same place. The guy is called Gideon. He's one of my favorite guy because he knows me. Like, we are so close. Somehow we are so close.
kumateni ndesipinga vya muchishekele lelo mkongori mpaka fe anchekele jobu nari pazani mane yanjipiki amasangara toni kuchuma chanje kukukomana piki mbone pa time on 6 o'clock pm ngatakwete peche damani yanjinde tobera mopi
Rambo kuwatoa mapya ya wewe mwaso. Amgote pale tukacha mbafushi kwa mvua. Ya bwana. Tole kuisa. Ili kuisa. Pale tukacha bwana. Singi vindana mama kuita. Mama kwa tunono. Wale watu kwa baba. No chao. No chao. Dad. Father, no chao wale. Baba na mvura. Na mvura alito mole. They're humble, very humble. I'm going to do it on water, to do it twice.
Kwa kuisao cherera noko ngatwaindishe
Kaine vutta kitu soko kia punta mo ile kwa punta mo ile kwa punta ukiso mmea kutari
Chipulukusu market is one of the largest market here in NDOLA, Zambia. We've got two markets, and the first one is old market and the second one is the new market. Now the new market is one of the largest market here in Chipulukusu. Chipulukusu is one of the popular place, and it is one of the largest populated compound here in NDOLA, Zambia. This side of the market, this is a place where people who repairs bicycle do their business. Just this area alone, people have made a demarcation to say this place it's for second-hand clothes, this place it's for the boutique, this place is for the tomato, this place is for this place is for that. So it is one of the largest market where you can find anything that you want at one place. yamuna kwa ino itaira
Moses, watira kutamba bwana bareke.
Isa chinja kofi. The same bicycle, the same baby that I have really helps me so much in terms of making some orders for my business. This business that you see, that you've been seeing each and every day. And the same bicycle is the one that I use like traveling, doing my videos, showing you places. It is the same bicycle. I don't use any transport like, okay, I'm having this transport. Like, you know, I don't get paid on YouTube here. I don't. So each and every time I get to get the same bicycle and then travel to the places that I want to go to, so that I can show you the real NDOLA itself. If you really want to help me with any transport money, if you really want to support this channel, if you really want to support my journey, please, the number is on the screen. You can support me and I'll appreciate. There is so much that I want to do, but just because I don't have some income, like to show you what I want to show you. And there is so much that I need. There are so many stories that I need to bring out here in NDOLA, Zambia. But because of that, that's why I'm trying by all means to upload each and every day so that my channel can be there. If my channel gets to be there, I get to be paying, get paid each and every month. I'm telling you, I'm going to show you some big moments on this channel. And I told you to say my channel is not just a channel to show you beautiful places, like beautiful places I go to NDOLA town center or to Lusaka town center to say, oh wow, this is this. My channel needs to have essence, and my channel needs to click something into your minds, and my channel is there to change lives. You know, let my filming speak. You know, if my filming is going to speak to you and speak to the people around the world, then that will change everything. So this is my main aim. This bicycle, this baby, means a lot to me. You know, it has been helping me since then. Look at what it is carrying. I'm just from repairing it, and then. So guys, instead of having a new bearing, this one, instead of having a new one, due to we don't have power here in Zambia right now, NDOLA, I just had to replace the same one. So this is the problem that we had today, and for the sake of, you know, you see, this is the new bearing. This is the one I bought. So I'm trying by all means not to ride it so fast. And I've got some new brakes. You can see some new brakes here. New brakes. I had to change and put some other brakes. And you can see it is back to normal with a new tire. This one. This is a tire, the new one that I had to buy. So you see, this is the help that I told you. Guys, I just want to appreciate each and everyone who've been supporting my channel, who've been supporting me in terms of everything. Please guys, if you want to support me also, you can subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. This is the only support that I can get from you. Also, if you want to support me in anything, the number is on the screen. Get in touch with me and I'll get back to you. So guys, this is the video for today. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Stay well. and I'm done for today, and this is the video that I had for you. I just wanted to show you the experience that we go through as a YouTuber here in Zambia like me, you know.